In this video, we're going to take a look at the names and properties of different triangles. On screen at the moment, I've got 4 different types. The first, in the top left-hand corner, is called a scalene. A scalene triangle has no angles and no sides that are equal. In the top right, we have a right-angled triangle. The square in the corner indicates that we've got a 90 degrees within the triangle. In some cases, you might have a dash on 2 sides. This indicates that they are of equal length, which would make this an isosceles right-angled triangle. That means that in the bottom left-hand corner we've got an isosceles, indicated by the fact that we've got a dash on 2 sides. These 2 sides are of equal length, and knowing that this is an isosceles triangle also means that these 2 angles are also equal. The final triangle is an equilateral. This is an equilateral because all sides have the dash, meaning that they are all exactly the same length, which also means that all angles are equal too. So each are 60 degrees.